Exploring new cooking technology in 2024 opens up a fascinating array of possibilities for both home cooks and professional chefs. Innovations in this field are transforming how we prepare, cook, and experience food. Here's a look at some of the most exciting developments. 1. Smart kitchen appliances. 1. Voice-activated assistants. Imagine preheating your oven with just a voice command or accessing a plethora of recipes through your smart speaker. 1. These devices can now integrate seamlessly with various kitchen appliances, making cooking more accessible and efficient. 2. Precision cookers and Sous Vide machines. These gadgets allow for precise temperature control, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. 2. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity have made them smarter, enabling remote control and monitoring. 2. 3D food printing. 1. A groundbreaking technology that allows for the creation of complex and intricate food designs that would be difficult or impossible to achieve by hand. 1. From personalized pasta shapes to elaborate dessert structures, 3D food printing can elevate the presentation and customization of dishes. 3. AI-driven cooking platforms. 1. These platforms can suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have at home, learn from your preferences, and even adjust recipes to cater to dietary restrictions. 1. Some can orchestrate the cooking process, guiding you through each step with precision. 4. Robotic kitchen assistants. 1. Robotic arms and devices that can chop, stir, and cook, offering invaluable assistance in both home and professional kitchens. 1. They promise to reduce manual labor and improve efficiency, though their adoption is still emerging in the culinary world. 5. Indoor smart gardens. 1. These compact systems use hydroponics and smart technology to grow herbs and vegetables indoors, ensuring fresh ingredients are always at hand. 1. They are designed for ease of use with automated lighting, watering, and nutrient delivery. 6. 1. Augmented reality AR cooking guides. 1. AR technology can project virtual cooking guides onto countertops or display them through AR glasses, providing step-by-step instructions and making complex cooking techniques easier to master. 7. Sustainability-driven technologies. 1. Innovations such as energy-efficient appliances, zero-waste cooking platforms, and technologies aimed at reducing food spoilage are gaining traction. 1. They not only aim to improve cooking methods but also address environmental concerns. 8. Connected cooking platforms. 1. Platforms that integrate various devices and appliances to create a cohesive cooking experience. 1. They can synchronize cooking times, adjust settings automatically, and ensure that multiple components of a meal are ready simultaneously. Exploring these technologies in 2024 shows a clear trend towards convenience, precision, personalization, and sustainability in cooking. As these technologies continue to evolve, they offer exciting opportunities to enhance culinary creativity, improve kitchen efficiency, and make the joy of cooking accessible to everyone.